Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set home address on Uber Eats. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Uber Eats is an online food and grocery delivery platform launched by the ride-hailing company Uber that connects customers with local restaurants and stores to order food and other items for delivery to their doorstep. User can browse menus, place order, pay, and track their delivery in real time through the Uber apps. So, what if you on my previous video I've show you how to create Uber Eats account, how to set up your account. But now, what if you want to change? You want to add your home address, so on your account. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our apps. You can log in into your account on the mobile apps. After that, from here, you can just tap on the location on the up left corner here, and you'll find there is an option set home. You can just tap on that. Now you can choose your home address. You can search for an address. For example, this maybe you want to set Central Park as your home address. You can add the building type, house, additional detail like house number or name. And you can choose the drop off options. You can meet at my door, or you can edit to meet outside or leave at my door. I will just choose leave at my door. Now you can also add interaction for delivery person in here, and also you can add photos. You can just choose an update. After that, you can address label. You can label the address as your home, like this. It's very simple, right? Now tap on save and continue. So now you have at your home address on your Uber Eats. It's very simple, right? So now you can be, if you order food, you can easier choose the address on your account. So that is how to how to set up home address on Uber Eats. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.